How to say significant other in Thai. Fan. One syllable word, fan. And it means a lot. It means girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. It can be used to say you have a fan, as in, I guess you're some sort of celebrity, aren't you? And you have supporters. All fit that word, fan. Very appropriate.
แฟนแฟน
fan, fan.
And here's Quincy Dom going to use that in a sentence for us.
คนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผมคนนี้แฟนผม
So the sentence is Koni fan pom. And of course, if you're a male, you're going to use the word me or I differently than the word female, me or I. And the polite particle is going to be different. But if you had taken one of the free lessons on my website, talkthai-today.com, you would know the particulars of why Daisy says it differently than Kun Bla, Kun Sidam, and myself would say that, right? But there it is. Significant other is fan. Flat tone, fan.